Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn captions on and off on Instagram. This is a feature that is going to allow you to see captions or subtitles on feed posts and everything like that within Instagram. It's pretty cool. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, and I'll show you where to go to find that. So to start off, just open up the Instagram app, then you'll be on the home page. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap on that and then tap on settings. Now you want to tap on account, and then you'll see the option here underneath language. It says captions. Now if you're not seeing that captions option, just make sure you update your Instagram app to the latest version first. So I'll tap on captions, and as you can see here it says captions. Video posts you watch will show auto-generated captions. To turn it on, just toggle that switch on just like that, and then it's going to tell you the language of the auto-generated captions. I don't know if you can change that. I'm tapping on it right now, it's not letting me change it other than English, so that'll be in English. And if you want to turn off the captions, then you just need to toggle that switch back down and then they'll be off. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.